Why is listening one of the most powerful traits of the 1%? And why do most men fail at this? I'm Natalie. I help married business owners strengthen their love life to elevate their business success. In this video, I'll show you why the 1% elite men listen differently and how it earns them respect, trust, and intimacy. Point number 1, listening creates intimacy. Sexual attraction isn't just physical, it's emotional. Can you imagine being emotionally connected with her in a physical setting? A woman who feels heard will open up physically, mentally, and emotionally. Point number 2, listening creates safety and trust. When a woman feels truly heard, walls come down. Elite men know listening is leadership, not weakness. They know listening builds emotional safety and the foundation of what respect is. Women trust the man who actually hears them, not just with words, but with true presence of a leader. Listening is not something to take lightly. Listening is one of the most powerfulest things you can do in your marriage. Listening is part of communication. Listening alone, you stepping back and truly being present with her, that alone is an investment into your marriage and also your business. When you allow someone to talk, they naturally can't understand why they like you. Even with clients, the more you listen to them, the more they just want to buy from you and they just want to be repeated customers forever. No matter what it is that you're selling, no matter what the business model is, they want to be with you because you take the time to listen to them. So why can't we do the same thing for our wives? Same principle applies at home. If you just take the time to put your armor down and just relax and listen to her, she will solve her own problems. She can't pinpoint why she just wants to be around you or support you or do things for you, right? She naturally just wants to support you because you're taking the time to just listen to her. And women, we love to talk. We're emotional creatures. We just want to talk about nothing. But when you take the time to listen about nothing, oh my goodness, we just want to be all over you, to be honest with you, because that's how it is with me. In my relationship, he's really good at listening. He knows when to ask me for solutions. Like, let's say I'm having issues in my life. He knows when to listen and he knows when to provide solutions. It made our relationship stronger, more harmonious, and more supportive just by the art of listening. So do you want to have tools to be a better listener and a better leader? Grab the free marriage ROI toolkit below. It'll help you to become that. Point number 3, listening prevents blind spots. A wife sees angles and risks he misses. Elite men listen because they know her perspective and intuition saves them from costly mistakes at home and at business. Point number 4, listening builds influence. When a man listens, she follows. She feels valued, heard, appreciated, which deepens her respect for you even more and makes her more willing to align with your vision, which is humongous. If this is hitting home for you, download the free marriage ROI toolkit below. It gives you 5 tools to strengthen trust, respect, and alignment with your wife. Link is below. Point number 5, listening shows leadership strength. Insecure men overtalk. Confident men listen. Elite men know listening isn't weakness. It's the ultimate sign of strength. And for whatever reason, it's just really hard to get to that point. The less you say, the more stronger and confident you are that people want to follow and respect that. Point number 6, listening keeps her invested. When she feels unheard, she completely checks out emotionally, mentally. Listening to her keeps her emotionally engaged to you and into the mission, fueling loyalty and passion. Hear me out. Elite men listen not because they have to, but because they know it builds trust, respect, and intimacy that fuels him as a man and makes him even more capable. If you want to feel like that, if you want that kind of respect, admiration, connection, harmony in your marriage, download the free marriage ROI toolkit in the description below. Download it now. I'm looking forward to hearing your results.